Abdul Haider ignore Abiha Haider. In this powerful TEDx talk, Abiha Haider discusses how society sets seats, limiting norms and labels for ways background or appearance. He shares his personal experience of being judged and misunderstood for his choices and identity. Abdul emphasizes the need to embrace individuality and stand against stereotypes. He encourages the audience to question social expectations, support each other, and create space and authentic expression. His message is clear: change starts, and when you stop fearing judgment and dare to be yourself. So guys, this is very nice. I hope you like it. See you in next.